Want to sell your home and save thousands on commissions and choose exactly how much help you need? You're in the right place. Hi, I'm Monica Duncan from Showstopper Realty, serving North Texas. We offer 3 flexible listing options designed to fit your needs and budget, while giving you full control over how much you spend. If you're a homeowner who likes to be hands-on and save big, our 1% MLS listing program is for you. You only pay 1%, not the typical 5 or 6. While you manage your own showings and negotiations, we provide essential support with your MLS listing and all the forms you need, complete with step-by-step guidance. It's perfect for those who want to take control and keep more of their money. Best of all, you decide how much, if anything, to offer a buyer's agent. Need more assistance but still want to save? Our 2% package is a great middle ground. With this option, you get professional photos and showing services to make the process easier. We also have with negotiations, so you don't have to handle everything alone. And like all our packages, you control how much to offer a buyer's agent, whether it's no commission or any amount that you decide. For those who want a full service experience and to save time, our 3% package offers complete support. We handle everything: 40 professional photos, twilight photography, a 3D virtual tour with floor plan, open houses, and online paid advertising to maximize your home's exposure. You won't have to worry about negotiations. We take care of it all. And as always, you have full control over what commission to offer a buyer's agent, if any. It's completely up to you. Whether you're looking to save big with our 1 or 2% options or need full service support with the 3% option, you can tailor the experience to your needs. Plus, you receive a free home evaluation to help you make informed decisions. Ready to see which option fits you best? Fill out the form to schedule your free consultation today, and let's get your home sold your way.